So our program here, we're going to pick off where we left off. Hopefully you were able to do this without following Sir's video, step by step. But our program allows you to enter two numbers, and if they get the answer right, they get some chocolate. If you get the answer wrong, well, we're quite generous. You've got two more chances to earn your chocolate. But that's quite easy. You are entering the numbers. Why not make them random? Why not add a bit of challenge so you can make this a one-player game? Now, you've done all this before, so just remember thinking back to our start of our Python unit. We want to get a random number. Now, that random number could only be found in the random library. So we have to import that library at the top, which allows us to use random throughout our entire program. Now here, we're going to update the code. So instead of the first maths one being set to an input, well, you want to use your random library. So we use random dot, and you start to get some suggestions. Now the first one is rand int, which produces a random integer. So you can kind of set the difficulty level because it produces an integer between two values. So the lowest value could be 1, and say the highest value could be 20. Same with here. We want to do the same thing. Instead of having the second number also be based on input, we use our random.randint and set it between 1 and 20. So every time we run this program, we don't actually know what numbers we're going to get. They're always going to be between 1 and 20. So if we test it, you'll see, we got a really easy question to start with. 19 times 1, that's going to be 19, so we get some chocolate. If you run it again, you'll see you got something a little more difficult. 4 times 18. So have a play with it.